Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another palette review, and this time it's going to be on the Jeffree Star Orgy palette. So I received this for my birthday from my boyfriend, and I wanted to do a little review because I really wanted it. As soon as it came out, I couldn't afford it, but I really wanted the palette. So he got it for me for my birthday, and I'm super excited to give it a go, try it out, and let you guys know what my thoughts are on the palette. So if you want to see more information on the palette and what look I create, carry on watching and enjoy the video. So let's just get straight on in with it. So here is the packaging. I think it's super cute. I love the like kind of nude colour and all the people on the packaging. I think it's really cute. And then here is the actual palette that's inside. So this lettering is actually kind of 3D, you know, it comes out, you can feel it, and I just think it's super good quality. I love the colour of the palette and I think it's really cute. So when you open the palette up, I'm sure a lot of you, if you love Jeffree Star, you'll already have seen this palette, but I just want to quickly show you the inside of the palette. So here it is. So you've got a bunch of like basically whites and creams on the top. Then we've got a bit of a darker kind of creamy orange tone. Then we've got our lighter browns, darker browns, and more like blacks and kind of chocolate colours. So this is the palette. You've got loads and loads of colours, and I felt like I wanted this palette because I feel like you won't need any other palettes if you have this one. I'm such like a makeup collector and like hoarder for makeup. I've got like loads of palettes, so I just feel like if you've got a massive staple palette with all your nudes, you can create just a perfect kind of natural look, especially as I wear like kind of natural eyeshadow shades every day for work. I feel like this palette will get you so much, and I just think, you know, you've got so many different blending colours in there, so I can't wait to try it. So let's just get straight in with the video. So I have also just bought the Jeffree Star Morphe eye brushes, so I'm going to be using these in the video. I've not used any of them yet, apart from this one, and I just used it for my eyeshadow base. But apart from that, I haven't used any of them, so I'm going to use them in this video as well. So I'm going to go in first with Top. I think that's a really nice kind of light brown transition shade. And I'm just going to be popping that on the crease. So from first impressions, it's super pigmented. I did only put my brush in the colour once, and then I also tapped it off. So I'm just popping that in the crease here. I don't really know what look I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna do like a nice natural kind of nudie look that you can kind of wear every day. So now I'm going to go in with Craving Chocolate. That name is very convenient to me because I am constantly craving chocolate, and I'm a bit of a chocoholic. That is like the thing that I crave. I don't really like sweets or anything like that. I'm not particularly fond of anything like that, but chocolate is like my main go-to. So that's like basically a chocolate colour. Like a chocolate shade, so it's a little bit darker than the one that I was using, but it's still going to be nice enough to pop on and blend in with that other colour. So I usually pack on the colour first and then I blend after. So I'll pop on the colour with one brush and blend out with the other one. So now I'm going to go in with Booby Trap, which is very similar to Craving Chocolate, but it's just a bit darker. And I'm just popping that on like the outer corner and just slightly on the inner. Again, kind of running it just through like the outer crease. I just can't believe how pigmented these shades are. I think they're so pretty, and you can just, they're so easily blendable because you can just keep blending, and if it's not looking right, you just get a lighter brown shade on top and blend that in, and I think these are just really super easy to blend, so this might be good for beginners as well. So now that's blended out, I'm just going to get a bit of a deeper colour just here, I think, above that dark colour that I just put. So I'm going to put Invitation Only right there. And I'm just going to pat that all the way around. Like that. And then you use your blending brush again and blend it all out. So if you can see the difference between both eyes, this one's a lot more darker now, so when I put a lighter colour in the middle, it will stand out much more than this one. So I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. So now we've done the top eyeshadow. Before we add the lighter shades, I just want to go in with my under eye and do some under eye eyeshadow. And I'm going to go in with a lighter colour, so I'm going to go in with Versatile and just pop that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to go in again with I'm Shy, and I'm just going to start packing that on the lid. Look how pigmented that is over the browns as well. I haven't put any base down. That is so nice. So then I'm going to go in with Versatile, which is what I put on the lower, and just pop it on the ends because it's a bit of a lighter brown, and just blend it in with that white so it blends really seamlessly. And I'm using a super light hand because the shades are so pigmented already. You just need a really light hand. I am so impressed with this palette. Look how pigmented it is, and it's such a pretty natural look as well. I think that's all I'm going to do for the eyes. I really like this kind of natural look, but you've still put a lot of effort into it, and it looks really, it's blended in really nicely. There's so many different browns, and it's like so natural at the same time. So I'm going to pop on some lashes, and then I'm going to be back to tell you my final thoughts and show you the finished look. I'm back and I've got my lashes on now, and this is the final look. I'm really happy with it. Personally, I really like the palette. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. If you didn't know, I'm actually going to be filming a Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection soon. I don't know if it's going to be already up before this video or after, but keep an eye out for it if it's not out yet. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's one of my favourite brands. I know there's been a lot of controversy on him these days, well, the past few months since lockdown basically, but I don't want to be involved in any of the kind of drama within the makeup industry. I'm really not interested in that. I'm interested in the products and the cosmetics and what I like as a person. I love this palette. The price point is a little high, but I didn't buy it. My boyfriend got it for me for my birthday. So I'm so grateful for my boyfriend for getting me this as well, because I absolutely love it, and I would have never been able to afford it myself. Not currently during furlough and things. It's just not viable, but I got it for my birthday and I'm super happy I've got it. Now I can play around with it as much as I want. I can create so many natural looks and like brown looks. You can also incorporate this palette in with other palettes and still do creative kind of looks, but use that palette as a transition shade, or use the white or the black. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you have any more questions on the palette, or you want me to review any other palettes or any other products, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and press the bell icon for notifications for when I upload new videos in the future. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye!